In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create order confirmation email in Brevo. This is a great way to give customers a clear receipt right after they place an order, and it also helps set expectations about what happens next. First, sign into your Brevo account and head to the main navigation. Click on Campaigns, then choose Templates. Templates are reusable designs, so once you build an order confirmation email here, you can use it again without starting from scratch each time. On the Templates page, click New Template. This begins the setup for a fresh email design. You will be asked to name your template. Enter a clear template name that you will recognize later, such as something that indicates it is for order confirmations. A specific name makes it easier to find when you have multiple templates saved. After you enter the name, click Next Step to continue. Now you will choose how you want to build the email. Select Design with Drag and Drop Editor. This option is the easiest for most people because it lets you build the layout visually without needing any code. Once the editor loads, you will see different content blocks you can add into the email. From the available blocks, drag a text block into your email layout. Place it where you want the main message to appear. Then click into the text area and type your order confirmation message. Keep the wording simple and clear. Confirm that the order was received, and include any key details you typically want customers to know, like a short thank you message and what to expect next. As you write, pay attention to readability. Short lines and spacing help the email feel clean and professional. When you are finished editing, go to the top right and click Save and Quit. This saves your progress and exits the editor. To make sure the template is ready to use, click Save and Activate. Activating the template helps ensure it is available when you are ready to send or use it in your workflow. That covers everything you need to know.